Hi, and welcome to the introduction. In this course, we'll begin by setting up some essential add-ons in Blender. These add-ons will increase our productivity and help develop our 3D models much easier. Next, we will set up 2D cameras and move on by creating an elevation and rendering it out with dimensions. You should repeat this process several times by creating the other layouts using the remaining 2D cameras. Next, we use the add-ons ArchiPack and ArchiMesh to create walls, doors and window elements and begin creating our 3D model. The following stage is to add material using the new PBR shader in Blender. We will create grass using the particle system. Then, using the sapling add-on, we will create some trees. The next stage is to render an image. Then we move on to the process of using Boolean modifiers to help create an animation. Finally, we take a look at render layers and Blender's compositor and the process of post-processing. So that's the introduction, and I hope you enjoy the course.